Hi guys, so I'm going to be unboxing the newest addition to my collection, the DJI OSMO Pocket 4P. Now, I'm currently using the 3 and I held up from upgrading to 4 because I knew this was coming. So hopefully this is worth it. And this is currently out of stock on DJI website, but I'm really happy I was able to secure it from Harvey Norman. Okay, so let's go unbox this little gem. That was the complete unboxing of the newest DJI OSMO Pocket 4P. So I'm not going to be using this now because I'm waiting for the screen protector and the lens protector to come in. Yeah, it's a bit too fragile to use it now. But yeah, hopefully I will be playing around with this the next few days. I'm going to share footage soon. Okay, bye-bye. Thanks for watching.